morning. This is the start of a new vlog. Welcome back to my channel. I have toddlers, you guys, and we are off to church. I just thought to bring you guys along with us because it's the start of a new week, and this is going to be like a weekly vlog. So yeah, whatever I'm up to as a lazy mom living in Abuja, you guys are going to find out in this video. So stay tuned. Do well to give this video a huge thumbs up, like and subscribe, and yeah, talk to you guys later. Bye.
I've answered the back. Huh? There for national set. I'm going to show you today.
You eat popcorn? Sorry. No popcorn.
It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. How much is it? Okay. How much? Church is over. I'm off to the fair. Women in Business fair happening in what's that place called? Old Parade Ground. I'll take you guys along. And yes, I saw a subscriber again today. I'll take you guys along with me.
My name is Jenny. I don't know when I'm going to be on YouTube, but hi.
No, Marina. Why are you going to start now?
Yeah, I'm going
Why you put microphone? Look to me. That's be careful when you're out.
Welcome to my space. Yes, look again. Yes.
Morning, guys.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Say good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys. How are you all doing? Today is the 6th of September. 6th of November. Give me the remote. Get to working.
I did right.
Auntie Kutimoto Joe, well, now what did he? So, like I said, it's the 6th of November. I want to drop them off in school. My event is on the 8th of November. I can't even wait for it. I've been nervous. See, let me drop them. Like I said yesterday, I wanted to drop them and come back to talk to you guys, but I forgot. But let me drop them in school, come back, chat with you, and then get my day started. I just dropped the boys in school right now, and I want to say something really quickly. So it is my first time ever trying to put my business out there. It's my first time ever trying, not like put my business out there per se, but like take this huge step that I'm about to take. I have this event going to happen on the 8th of November at City Park. It's a carnival. So I registered as a vendor so I can put my business Abby Sports out there for people to know that I actually cater for events and all, and they can actually patronize me by buying my food. So I have this signature coconut rice that it is delicious. I mean, I've eaten this food severally. In fact, I make it even in my sleep and it comes out very perfect and tasty. So that has been like one of my selling points, the coconut rice. So this event, right, it is my first time, just like I said, and I'm a bit tensed. Like, I don't know what to expect. In fact, somebody came to my DM yesterday saying, oh, she registered for a fair, she didn't sell, blah blah blah. Hi, I'm like, is this the right thing for me to start hearing this early morning? Is this the right thing for me to start hearing this early morning? I think it's too straightforward. To think I have been thinking about this thing since I registered on Saturday, and you know, planning, trying to get everything together. It's telling on me. I can't sleep well. If I sleep, I wake up and start thinking about this event, right? So now, thank God my neighbor is a caterer, so I want to consult her. So we'll just do the costing. Let it not be that I'm going to waste my money. Do you understand? So that I can also profit from this business that I want to do, because it's my first time and I'm just trying to take this a little serious, more serious, not a little, more serious. I'm trying to take this more serious. So I saw her at drop off in school now, and I told her once she gets back she should just let me know, so I'll come with my book and my pen, because the estimates, my husband was like, even the person that owns the event, he never estimates like this. So I want to sit down, have a conversation with her. I've already told her the plan. I know I want to sell coconut rice, which is my selling point, jollof rice, fried rice, and moi moi. Then for the protein, I want to do egg, just in case somebody cannot get turkey or chicken. You should be able to get turkey, chicken, or beef. You should be able to get egg. Yeah, so that's the plan that I have for myself. But then I just put everything in God's hands, really, because I can't do it on my own. God has to go before me, and my head, the oil for my head is different from the oil with every other person head. So me, I am going with the assurance that God has gone before me. I don't know, this eye is itching me. God has gone before me and he has perfected everything. I'm sorry I've been talking for a long time, but yeah, that's just me and my business, okay? So later on today, I'm hanging out with my friends. We're having a brief meeting, so I'm hanging out with them later in the day, and yeah, from there I'll take her start to where she has a gig, so I'll take her to the spa to do whatever she needs to do there, and then me too. Yeah, me too. I have something to do at the spa too. So once I'm done, I might go to the market, because I have just 2 days to this event. Today is Wednesday. The event is happening on a Friday. So I have today, I have tomorrow to plan, and I want to print a shirt, because my friends they said they were going to help me sell, the likes of Aisha Jags, NK Unfiltered, Jennifer, Cassie Lovett. See, I have amazing lovely friends that are around me to support me, like moral support. I need it, because somehow, you know, easy to run business of this country, you know, easy. Then can't they deal with mental disability? So yeah, everything put together, I'm hoping that this event comes out nice. So I'm going to take you guys along with me. Whenever you see this video, it is whenever you see it, because I'm not going to put myself under pressure to start editing and all. But yeah, you're going to see this video eventually, okay? Let me stop blabbing. I've spoken for more than 4 minutes now. Yeah, so talk to you guys later.
You can't do 2 in 1 for salad, because you need the meme to be hot. You need heat for meme. So you do.
I'll just use clean film to cover it.
Okay, so that works. So you are looking at 4 chafing dishes. 4 chafing dishes. Pick the one for 2,000. That is 8,000.
8,000.
Let me see what this one has. That's 2 new ones is fine.
It's fine now. Me, I don't mind it. Anything that makes my this thing presentable.
Should be 10,000. But let me test. There's another one that is 2,000 of each variety.
Give me that.
No, it's not dash. It's not like you package it. No. Put a small, like this money dispenser. Pour it inside.
Okay.
If you come, just disposable, just drink
and go. Everybody can drink it and go, actually. I'm out of the house and I'm heading to my outing with my friends. I'll show you guys around when we get there, but yeah. You wanna look at my darling. Hi. Say hi. Hello, NK. Say hi. Deka, say hi. Before me, for me. Yeah, turn back, turn back.
It will be like this. Because fashion designers, I know they trust.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Sorry. No.
What sauce is this?
What do you call it? Not this away. No, this like to check what I'm doing the right thing. Doing the right thing. So I now do, and which even me have suspected, but you know, sometimes you may be another person.
So hi guys. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I just finished hanging out with my friends and it was a beautiful moment. Like, I've missed hanging out with them, and today that we did, you know, I got a bit of relief, and just to know that everybody is fine, I'm super excited for that. Like I said, I'm still tensed about my event that is happening on Friday, but besides that, I'm fine. So I'm here for Esther. I said she was coming to the spa, if you guys remember earlier on. So I'm here at the spa. I want to just go in, do my own part of the video, and yeah, that's just it. This hair, it is well. But yeah, I'm super excited. I'm happy. I need to get fuel for this car before rush hour so that we can get home on time. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys. Bye. It's really like one mini celebrity. So you guys, I'm at the spa and I'm tired, but take a look at these gorgeous earrings. Oh, so busy. So yeah, I'm at the spa with Esther and I'm tired and exhausted. All I want to do is take out this wig and just sleep. That's how I feel. But then I'm going to end this vlog here so it's not too long, so we can continue tomorrow. So thank you all so much for watching, and see you guys in my next video, which will be me shopping for my event. Yeah, whatever I'll be up to, I'll let you guys know. Okay, so talk to you guys later. Esther, I'll be